Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the world of the SENSARTE Nonstick Cookware Set, a 13-piece kitchen marvel designed for healthy and effortless cooking. This set features a super non-stick surface that lets your food glide right off, making cooking and cleaning a breeze while enhancing flavors with less oil. Crafted from high-quality granite non-stick material, it's SGS approved and free of PFOA, lead, and cadmium, ensuring your meals are safe and healthy. The package includes everything you need for daily cooking, from a 9.5-inch fry pan to a 4.5-quart casserole pan with lids, all designed to meet your culinary needs. Compatible with all stovetops, thanks to its stainless steel bottom, this cookware is also oven-safe up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Just remember to remove the handle first. Its lightweight yet sturdy cast aluminum construction ensures quick and even heating, while the Stay Cool wood-grain Bakelite handle and tempered glass lid add convenience and safety. Easy to clean and built to last, the SENSARTE Cookware Set is your ticket to a more enjoyable and efficient cooking experience. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.